channel. Today I'm going to have some help from Landon to share with you all a Grove collaborative order that I just got. I'm actually mixing in a few items from the last order that I got because I took advantage of a VIP special to try out a new scent. So I actually got this for free with the order to try out the new scent. Both of these came free. There were 2 microfiber cloths in this pack. And first of all, this is my favorite color, so I'm kind of in love with it. And you can see it's a large cloth, and I love these because you can wash them over and over again. They're great for dusting. I love them. So I got that for free. There were 2 of them. And then I got this beautiful hand soap pump for free with my order. And I haven't figured out where or what I want to put in here yet because so many of the soaps come in really pretty bottles. For example, this one. And this is the limited edition scent, the mint scent. And it smells amazing. I thought it was going to maybe smell a little bit like the peppermint scent that came out for Christmas, but it really doesn't. It has its own different smell. I can't really explain it. It's definitely minty. But it smells really good. Where are you going? I thought you were going to help me. So this is the hand soap, and of course it's my favorite color. Everything is coming out in my favorite color right now, and just having, I don't know, packaging is so much for me. I don't know why. I just love pretty packaging. So this is the dish soap in the mint scent, so it matches. And this is the multi-surface, and we've already used quite a bit of it. It just smells amazing. It just makes everything smell so good and fresh, and it reminds me of spring, which is something I really need in my life right now because it is cold outside still. Or if it's not cold outside, it's raining. So that is all that I got. I got in a separate order to pre-order the new limited edition scent.
Yeah, my next guy.
I love it, so I kind of want to stock up on it before it goes away. I think there's an offer coming out in March that has something to do with the mint. I'm not 100% sure, but I know there's a big offer coming out in March where you can get a lot of stuff for free if you sign up, and then of course that you get the 60 days, I think it's 60 days VIP for free, which means free shipping and all of that. I got in my box today something new that I hadn't tried before, and this is the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day body wash in the lavender scent. I love lavender. It is so calming to me. I use this scent in the multi-surface spray and the laundry detergent as well a lot, and I love it. So I'm excited to try out the body wash. It says moisturizing and has essential oils in it. Everything that they put out is just so clean.
This is the big one.
That's the big one?
Yeah, I can hold it.
You can hold it?
Yeah.
Sure. And then I ordered, again, the Meyer's Clean Day laundry detergent in the basil scent. It smells really good. Basil is probably my favorite scent of all of them, even over the limited edition mint scent. Basil is my favorite. And I feel like this looks like a small bottle, but it goes a long way. We ordered one, I've had one of these for a really long time, and we do laundry every day, a lot of laundry. So you need just a small capful for a single load, like even a large load. So I feel like it really goes a long way. And then for free with my order, I think because it's like the monthly VIP gift, I got this Lavender Castile soap. And I was thinking that it was a hand soap, but it says on the back, one soap, so many kinds of clean. Our ultra concentrated lavender Castile soap is endlessly versatile. Use it as a body wash, household cleaner, pet shampoo, and everything in between. Scented with natural essential oils and made without harsh chemicals, it's safe for your family and the environment. So I'm thinking I might use it as a body wash, and then maybe I might use it as a body wash for Landon.
I will have this.
I
will have this.
Okay. It smells like pure lavender essential oils.
Whoa.
Yeah, do you like this?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's so cute.
It's so cute. It is a cute bottle, isn't it?
Okay, open it.
No, we probably shouldn't open it so it doesn't spill. So Landon wanted to show you everything. We put it in this cute little grocery cart to act like we went shopping. And so this is all of the most recent stuff that I've gotten. Let's see, what is my favorite thing? What do you think is my favorite thing?
This one.
This one? The dish soap? Well, you know what? The dish soap is probably my favorite thing right now because our dishwasher is broken. And I'm having to use dish soap a lot. So, using one that I like makes a huge difference.
Do you like it?
I do like this. This
Oh.
hand pump. I like this a lot, but I need to figure out which soap I want to put in it. I thought I wanted to put this in it, but it's not really hand soap. I mean, I feel like it can be used as a body wash
Yes.
or household cleaner. I'm a little bit in awe of this, and I don't know what to do with it. But it smells so good that I want to use it as a body wash. So if you haven't tried out Grove Collaborative for yourself yet, I really suggest that you do. When I signed up, I got about this much stuff for free. I think I had to spend $20, $25 to get all of this for free. And then I had intended to cancel it after my 60-day VIP trial was up, but I shared it a lot and I ended up getting a couple credits because if you sign up through my link, you get $10 off and I get $10. And I just became a little bit addicted to it because the prices were so much better than what I could get in the store on these kinds of products. And then of course they're shipped straight to my house with no shipping, which I don't know about you, but like free shipping gets me every time. It's free shipping. Like I feel like there's no reason not to do it. I don't have to go pick it up in the store. So try it out and see if you like it, and then if you don't, you can always cancel.
Okay.
But there's an offer coming out in March where you can get a whole bunch of stuff for free that I'm gonna get to share with you all. Only certain people are picked for different things to be able to share that with you, so I'll have that offer and I'll make sure to share the link. But in the meantime, there will be one down below and you can go through that if you want, or you can wait. So thank you for watching, and let me know if you've used Grove and if you use Mrs. Meyer's products, or if you've used any of the other products on Grove. Just let me know what you like, and maybe I'll test it out because I've only kind of stuck to the same stuff. So let me know. And thanks for watching.